Happy Monday, guys. If it's happy Monday, I hope it is for everybody. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all well. If you are returning, thank you so very much. And if you're new, hi, my name's Rosie. I generally upload videos a couple of times a week, lifestyle vlogs, hauls, that kind of stuff. So if you like that kind of content, I would love if you could subscribe to my channel, join my YouTube family. And I'm also over on Instagram if you'd like to check me out on there. Please don't forget to give the video you're about to see a thumbs up. So this is kind of going to be like over the week. What are you guys having for tea tonight? Let me know in the comments. Tonight we are having, I'm going to show you, we're just having a jacket potato. I was meant to make these the other night. In fact, actually last week. But by the time I'd finished vlogging and everything, it just got really late. So we ended up having something completely different. So tonight we are having jacket potatoes. I'm just going to pop these in the oven. We're going to have them with the barbacoa beef. And then I'm going to do a bit of salad, and I'm going to have some, for those that don't want the beef, they're going to have tuna. Xander's just going to, oh, get on the potato. Xander's just going to have beans and cheese. This is the barbacoa beef. I just made it in the microwave because I'm not well, and yeah, it was oven or microwave. I opted for the microwave, it's easier. Xander, cheese and beans. Right, Jada just wants beans. He's already made his mind up that he doesn't like that because he doesn't like the look of it, so he doesn't want any of it. For those that are new to my channel, Jaden's on the spectrum. He has autism. Yeah, so he doesn't like the look of that, so straight away he's made his mind up that he doesn't want it, so he just wants beans. After all of that, Lexi's also having cheese and beans. Honestly, when your kids are scared to try anything new. There you go. Mine, salad, barbacoa beef and some cheese. What are you having?
I'm not finished yet. I'm maybe going to make some beans and have a bit of cheese or something.
Right, okay, so hubby's still deciding, and that's tonight's tea. Jacket potatoes with a choice of fillings and cheese and salad and stuff. So I'm going to go and have my tea, and I'll see you all tomorrow night. Right, buddy. I think I'm trying to break my camera, guys. So, tonight's tea. It's currently Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, my lovelies. I hope you're all well, and yeah, I hope your day's been great so far. Tonight we're going to have gammon. I was meant to make this on Father's Day, but by the time we'd got done with getting through the whole day and stuff, it kind of, yeah, we ended up just having a few bits and pieces out, and then it was just kind of just something quick and easy when we got in. So I'm doing the gammon tonight. Still not feeling 100%, so what I'm going to do is, I haven't been to the shop or anything, I've bought nothing. This is all from what I picked up last week. So I'm going to do the gammon with some roast potatoes, and then I've got the broccoli, I've got some green beans, I've got a few carrots left and some parsnips, so I'm just literally going to wing it. I'm just boiling the ham. I just want all the salts, well, as much salt as I can out of it, and then I might roast it for another 30 minutes or so, just to kind of like give it that roast flavour. We'll see, I'll see what I think. And then I've just literally cut up some vegetables, some root vegetables, popped them in with some seasoning and some honey and olive oil. I'm going to pop those in the oven, just the quickest way to kind of cook everything, I think, and then you haven't got like all the pans and stuff. Excuse the drying in the background. And then yeah, I've done roast potatoes. Well, I've done a mixture of sweet potato and normal potato, and then I've just seasoned them with some olive oil, and I've chucked some garlic in there as well, and that's tonight's tea. Dinner is served, so we've got Kenzie's, doesn't want an egg. And then we've got Xander, who doesn't really eat vegetables, but I've given him some carrots, hopefully he will eat them. Jaden's and Lexi's, and then I'm just going to add gravy to these, well, to anybody that wants it. And then I just need to dish mine up, my husband's and Megan's. Beth's at work, so yeah, and Marley, I'm not sure what Marley wants, so yeah. Enjoy your tea. Happy Wednesday, guys. So tea tonight, excuse my shadow as you can see. Tea tonight is some chicken heck sausages. Those are for the kids. And then I've got some chicken tikka breasts. And I've just done a savoury rice. I'm just cooking the sausages in the fry light. Sausages are in with the rice. Sorry guys, I've still got a bit of a dodgy throat. Sausages are in with the rice, just to keep them warm. Chicken heck sausages, and this is a savoury rice. I've literally just done mushrooms and peas, and then I did like chicken tikka. Yeah, it's got a bit of Jamie Oliver tikka paste in there. It's got some creme fraiche, and that's about it really. So we're just going to have this and this. Now you can hear Jaden. So I just need to find out who wants sausages. I know Xander's having sausages. Dinner is served, so I've just sausages, chicken heck sausages and my savoury rice. I've just made up some heck gravy, the sausage gravy, so the kids are going to try that out tonight and see what it's like. Xander, Lexi and Jen just opted for the sausages, so they can have that, and everybody else is going to have the chicken tikka. Chicken tikka, homemade savoury rice, Xander, not Xander, Mackenzie and hubby, and then I'm just going to dish mine out as well. And surprise surprise, Marley doesn't want anything, and Beth and Megan are at work. So yeah, let me know what you guys are having in the comments for your tea tonight. It is Wednesday, by the way, so happy Wednesday, and I hope you're all doing well, and I shall see you tomorrow night. Tonight's tea, salmon pasta. So I'm literally gonna obviously sort out the salmon, and then I'm just going to show you what I'm going to put in it. How's everybody doing, by the way? How's your week been so far? Mine has been, got up this morning, feeling a lot better, back to it, back to normal. Hate being poorly. Other than that, I've been stuck in the house all week. So hopefully at some point I can get back out and get back to normal and stuff. So I've got some salmon. I'm just going to obviously cook that up. I am going to use some garden peas. I've got some leeks sitting, so I'm going to use these. My baby corn, I'm thinking I might not actually use that, I might not put that in yet. I've got some garlic, I've got some fresh chilli, I've got some parsley, broccoli, half fat creme fraiche, milk, aromat and some flour. Obviously that's for the sauce that the pasta's going to go in, and I just need to get the pasta out. I've gone and forgot the pasta as usual. Husband's having a choking fit. Bless him. I'm just sauteing. Are you alright in there? I'm just sauteing the vegetables. So we've got obviously the broccoli, which I have part boiled, by the way, because yeah, if anybody else trying to cook broccoli from scratch, especially like the normal broccoli, is it's just a mission in itself. And then I've got some leeks, and I've got a stock cube in here as well, just a vegetable stock cube. I've got some seasoning in, I've got garlic, and the leeks, and I'm just going to let that kind of like cook down. Then I'm going to add my salmon. I've got my pasta boiling, it's just whole wheat pasta. And then, in all fairness, I don't need the milk and I don't need the flour. I'm just going to add the creme fraiche. I'm just going to add the creme fraiche with some fresh basil and some chilli, if anybody wants any fresh chillies on the top. dinner is served. Looks absolutely, I don't know, would we say that looks appetising? I mean, it tastes a lot better than it looks. But yeah, we've got the kidsies ready, and I wonder which one I'll say, I don't like that first. What's the bets? Odds are on now. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. So it's literally, in the end I didn't use the roux, I didn't end up using milk or flour, I didn't need to. And then I've just chopped up some, oh there's fresh parsley in there as well, but I've chopped up some more just in case anybody wants it, you know, like as a garnish. And then there's a chilli sitting, so I can chop up some chilli in case anybody wants some fresh chilli on it. But in all fairness, I'll probably just leave the chilli because salmon's pretty delicate. It's a pretty delicate flavour, so I don't want the chilli to kind of overpower it. So yeah, I'm rethinking the chilli. Anyways, I'm going to go and shout everybody for tea, and I'm going to finish dishing up. And I'll see you all tomorrow for Friday's tea. Let me know what you're having in the well, let me know what you're having for tea tonight in the comments. Yeah, and I'll see you all soon. Happy Friday! I can't believe it's Friday already. Like, what is going on? The weeks are just flying in. It's so scary. I seen a post on Instagram today, and I think it actually said something like there was 28 Mondays left till Christmas. Oh my god, what is going on? Like, yeah, no, I don't even want to think about Christmas just yet. We haven't even had a summer in the UK, never mind Christmas. Anyways, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're well. What are you having for tea tonight? Let me know in the comments. We are having a mixed grill, as I like to call it, or as it may other well be known, a fry up. I just don't fry anything. I either grill it or I put it in the oven or I air fry it, so it's healthier. Hence why I call it a mixed grill. So I'll show you the ingredients, what I'm using. We're having chicken sausages, and then the Aberdeen Angus sausage. I'm just going to shove these in the air fryer, and then if they've got any fat on them it can just drip off. I've got some eggs, because I'll do a different selection of eggs. Some like fried, some like scrambled, it just depends. Oh, by the way, for the fried egg, I don't actually use oil, I just dry fry it, if that makes any sense, because I've got a non-stick frying pan, so it works really well. And then just some bacon, which I'll do under the grill, and then some mushrooms. I haven't got any tomatoes, and if anybody wants like toast or anything like that, I can do toast. Or yeah, the fried bread thing, nobody likes fried bread in my house, so that's not too bad. Bacon on. I'm just going to pop that under the grill. We've got some beans as well, mushrooms, scrambled egg. I'm going to do a couple of fried eggs because Jim only has fried eggs. Bread's in toaster, sausages in the air fryer. Oh, you can hear his buddy snoring in the background, bless him. Xander's dinner. Scrambled egg, beans, sausage. I've cremated the sausages again, honestly. I cannot do air fryer sausages. It's just, yeah, it doesn't work. I think I'm just going to stick to the oven the old fashioned way. Lexi, sausage, bacon, beans, toast, mushrooms. And then Jaden's is egg, bacon, toast. He doesn't have butter because he doesn't like butter, beans and sausage. And then I just need to dish out Kenzie's. I need to make a fresh batch of scrambled egg for my husband because he's just coming in from work, and I need to sort my own out as well. And Marley's just literally made herself cucumber tuna sushi rolls. So yeah, I shall let you go. I'm going to carry on with tea, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, lots of love, stay safe, and yeah, if you fancy a chat, you know where I am. I'll see you all later. Have a nice weekend.